So annoying.
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, my name is Michelle and welcome to my channel now. If you like what you see, please join the journey down below and the buttons down below. Please do that. Today, we are back with another mocktail. If you are new here, then let me introduce myself. My name is Humpty, pronounced with an umpty. Oh, how I like to funk thee. Just kidding, guys. I'm kidding. My name's Michelle. On Mondays on this channel, we do mocktails or something non-alcoholic. Today, I'm 529 days sober. So, thank you, everyone. Please hold your applause till the end. I was a bartender for 10 plus years, so the whole like mixing of the drinks thing isn't foreign to me. I have since left the bar business, but the bartender in me will never leave. It's always in my heart. I'll always enjoy mixing drinks. It's just fun, actually. We're doing a mocktail today that I have named Pearberry. What is a pearberry, you might ask? Well, it's a delicious mix of pear and elderberry juices with a little honey and lemon. This mocktail was inspired by elderberry. If you've never had elderberry, I strongly suggest that you try it. It is super sweet and rich, and the color is so vibrant and pretty, and this beautiful deep purple color. I strongly suggest you try it. Back in my drinking days, I really liked the liqueur, the Saint Germain's. It is an elderberry flavored liqueur, super sweet, very good to obviously sweeten up cocktails. I don't drink that anymore, and so as you can imagine, I was very excited when I was at my local grocery store and I saw the elderberry juice there. So I had to get it, I had to bring it home, and I had to make a cocktail with it. So let's get started. We are going to need pear juice. I'm using Nutson's. We need elderberry juice. I'm using the Biota. I could be pronouncing that incorrectly. Honey syrup. I made this, which is why it's in a really weird jar. How you make honey syrup is just equal parts honey to water, and you just dissolve it on the stove. Lemon juice, sparkling water. I will also be using a shaker, a jigger, a knife and a cutting board, a juicer, and then a cup and some ice. Now, let's put it all together. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our shaker. We're going to add some ice to it. You be a part of your own ice journey, okay? Next, we're going to add 5 ounces of pear juice. Then we're going to take 1.5 ounces of elderberry juice. We're gonna take about 1 ounce of the honey syrup. We're going to go ahead and take this, do a nice little roll, take our knife, take half of your lemon. I'm going to do it in here just because there's seeds and whatnot. I know this has a holder, but just in case. And I want to make sure I don't do too much. So we're gonna squeeze the lemon. You need some serious arm strength or hand strength for this, which is something I'm lacking in. We did get 2 seeds, so let's go ahead and put it in there. I'm gonna do about 1/4 of an ounce. Should look something like that with that beautiful deep color. So now it's time to shake. Shake, 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 to shake. Oh yeah. We are cold. All right, you ready? I'm gonna take this. Wait for this beautiful color, it's so pretty. Oh yeah. We're gonna take our soda water. I just make my soda water at home. We're just doing a splash of soda water, so just a little bit. Just like so, just a little top on top. Top on top. I'm gonna take some lemon. Cut a nice little slice in it. Cutie. And we have ourselves a pearberry. All right, let's give this a little taste. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and say this. I think this is the best mocktail I've made so far. The pear and the elderberry are a match made in heaven. The honey syrup is like their child that brought them together when they thought they were having a bad time, but the child brought them together and made them a very happy married couple. And then the lemon, you always need a little acid. You always need a little of the soda water to break through all of the juices and the honey, to break it up a little bit, because it was becoming too monotonous in here that we needed the lemon. So that's my story behind this cocktail. So, I mean, I'm pretty much a miracle worker, and I am the best mocktail maker in all the lands of mocktail making. But seriously, try this. It's so good. The elderberry and the pear together, I'm not kidding, are amazing. It is an amazing combination of flavors. Please, 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 please try this. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know if you ended up making this and tag me on my Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was short but sweet, but that's what these should be anyways. We're just making a tiny mocktail, right? Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and bye. Love you.